Hey everyone, it's Brianna again with AP Systems with another Sunspot video. Today I'm going to cover EMA Manager app to show you how to add an ECU or inverter to a current account. Let's get started. The first step is to navigate to Workspace and select ECU under the Account Details tab. Click the plus button in the bottom right corner. Enter the ECU ID. After you enter the ECU ID, enter the ECU custom name and click OK. If you have an SREX account, ask us how to set up a sub-account prior to making changes. To add an inverter to a current account, navigate back to Workspace and click Inverter under Account Details. Again, selecting the plus button in the bottom right corner. Open the Add Method dropdown. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will be selecting the Input option. Next, select your inverter type. Channels 1 and 2 are pre-selected. If utilizing only one channel, you can open the dropdown and select the channel being used. Since we are using the input method, we're going to type the inverter ID here. Select OK, and return to Workspace. Now we need to link the inverter to the ECU. Under the Remote Control tab, select Remote Control. Next, select UID Manage. For this step, we are going to check the box and select each inverter ID. The gray dot will turn green after being selected. Now we can synchronize the inverters by selecting Synchronize. To add the inverters to the module view, we are going to head back into Workspace and select Group View under Account Details at the top of your screen. Select your view, then choose Layout Information. To add a row, click the box in the top right corner and press Add Row. Select an empty panel and click the drop-down under the Select Module and choose the inverter channel. When you're finished, click OK, then OK again to confirm your submission. After these steps are completed, allow 20 to 30 minutes for the inverter to link with the ECU. That's all for today. See you next time.